Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Well, today we have a brand new unboxing from a brand new designer.
Welcome, Lovelies. Well, I am thrilled. I am thrilled to show you these beautiful pieces because we are so happy you discovered this line.
Yes, it's a brand new line for us in the boutique here.
Yeah, Italy.
Made in Italy, but very high-end, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Beautiful fabrics, nice simplistic designs. I think you're gonna love it.
Yeah, just right up
our alley.
And up yours.
Yes, it is called Neirami, and I believe it's the woman's last name. It's a beautiful collection.
Yeah. Can't wait to style it up.
Yeah, beautiful knits. Speaking of beautiful knits,
yes.
Your beautiful knit.
Tessa.
I know.
And what a lovely color.
I know.
I don't think we've ever had this.
This is the coconut, so it's the same as the coconut pants that we have.
Yeah, I love.
Yeah, so we just got them in and we released them. We didn't even do a video on them yet, but I think they're almost all sold out. Yeah. But we will be ordering more. So if you see any colors online that you would like, let us know. Please email us so we can hold one for you. But this, so this is the other color that we have in the linen pants from Cut Loose. Beautiful. Yeah. But together they're nice. Nice contrast.
Yeah, I love it.
Don't you love this?
This is what I love.
The darker.
I love this little contrast, but this is one of my favorite sweaters. And I do have two from past collections.
And you want the red.
I want it because it's my red.
The one that just sold out.
Because the color red, it has to be so right on. Yeah. And this is a tomato red. They call it, what do they call it? It's cherry red?
I think it's a cherry red for online.
Yeah.
But it was so funny because a few weeks ago, we were, before they sold out, we were filming videos and she had it on and she said, I think I'm taking this. I said, well, it sold out last night. So
too bad, so sad.
Too bad, so sad. You can't take it. But yeah, anyway, I ordered one for her that she's on the list. And then I was thankful to get a naval. So I got the navy.
Yeah.
So exciting.
Yeah, it's very exciting. And this is also a year-rounder. This one never leaves my closet. This sweater.
I know, no, it's true.
It's true.
Yeah.
Like I do layer it in the winter with a little mesh top or a white shirt, and then in the summer it's fantastic. Just like this.
And you want these shift dress as well to go with it, that look.
I never owned a shift dress.
No.
I think it's time.
It's time. I have
so Lousje went shopping.
Lousje is going shopping. Lousje, well, Cut Loose is making it for you right now.
Yeah, that's true.
Sewing. So great company to work with because we can reorder throughout the season. Yeah, which is wonderful. But your scarf too is quite cute. What is this? This is floral chevron scarf.
Very summery outfit. Beautiful.
Yeah, nice soft.
Cleo. Oh no, Siska in brown.
Siska, yeah.
Right to match the sweater.
Yep, beautiful.
And one of my favorite bracelets
from Cleo.
And you?
And I have elastics on here, but I do have my little cuties. We should order more of this one because they've sold out. We do have others, ladies.
Do we?
Yeah, but I'm always wearing these.
Okay.
And then I have on some...
I love that one.
And this beautiful scarf.
And what, pray tell, is this? The shift dress?
This is the shift dress from me and Guy in the military.
Get out.
Yeah. And this is the new jean jacket, which I'm loving.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It's a nice wash. It's like a lighter wash. And then it's got the
true denim stitching.
Yeah, beautiful. Okay, ladies, let's dive into this beautiful spring summer collection from Neirami. Okay, so we have some pants. Feel this fabric, Mom.
It's like a poplin.
Yeah, it's 100% cotton.
Poplin is, to me, smack summer.
Smack summer.
Look at
beautiful.
This cuff.
I know.
It's this white. I love it.
I know. We love
Love. What a nice style.
Great style. There's darts in the back, pleats in the front.
Oh, amazing.
But wearing them, it sort of looks like you're almost wearing a skirt.
Yeah.
And the length is wonderful. We love it. The nice long length.
Oh, great.
It's a beautiful pant. Just classic in black.
It starts in extra small?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, fantastic. Yeah.
And then I also did it out of this stunning color, which we are calling Stone.
Stone.
Stone. Absolutely love. Look at the width of those.
Oh.
They're super cool. They're going to be fabulous on.
This on a hot summer day,
I
can you
know.
imagine?
Amazing.
Yeah.
So one more other pair of pants. It's a little bit different than those. This is a navy, and it is more of a straighter leg.
Oh, yeah.
A little more simpler at the top.
Yeah.
Pockets as well.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is,
very nice.
beautiful.
Beautiful, classic,
ladies.
beautiful.
And they got a little texture. It's a little texture.
It's a tiny textured crinkle, right? It's very subdued, but it's beautiful.
So they have these amazing knits, ladies, that are absolutely fabulous.
Oh, mamma mia.
Mamma mia.
Oh, this is so fabulous.
And look at over.
This.
This is
Tessa.
paper textile. 80% paper textile and 20% viscose.
Very earthy.
It's so beautiful.
Oh, wow.
And I love that it rolls up here.
Yeah.
All the hems and the cuffs and the neckline. It's
The
absolutely
edges.
beautiful. So 3 buttons, a little cardi, so you can wear it open or closed. And then the other one that we got in was this one in the blue.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, I love that color.
I'm like Vanna White here.
Oh, I love that blue, Tessa.
I know.
All the
So
different blues.
The blue over the stone.
Oh, my. Look at this.
Gorgeous. Or over the navy. Or black. Stunning.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. Wow. I think this must be hand wash, right? Yes. Can you read
just
that?
in the sink. I can't read it. We both, oh my God.
Rachel, I hope you're not
gonna be so
watching.
mad at us.
Don't switch the station off, please.
Oh my God, it's so
anyway,
bad. Anyways, absolutely
we
gorgeous.
will look into it and we will tell you the washing.
No, I would wash this in the sink for
me.
sure.
For
And
me
I mean,
too.
you're gonna wear a little tank under it, so you're not
When
gonna wash
do you wash
like
it?
so
Really,
often,
we wash
right?
way too often.
We do. We
No,
do.
really.
Especially these delicate pieces.
Yeah.
But and then Lousje.
And I mean, how dirty you get? You're not going to roll in the mud with this. Honest to goodness.
No,
You know,
but it's not gonna like, especially if it's not really touching your body.
No.
Like.
Right.
Okay. Okay, and then we have here another style top in the beautiful navy that they have. And look at this fabric.
Oh, cute.
So this
Very
is
like a little seersucker type
seersucker.
fabric.
Yeah. So it's got a lot of
right,
stretch.
lots.
Drop sleeve.
Yeah.
The sleeves kind of come 3/4 once you have it on.
Yeah.
There's 4 sizes in this top. And it is 98% cotton with a little bit of spandex.
Yeah.
Because it's
What a great summer fabric.
I know. So this over the stone, fabulous.
Fabulous.
Over the navy, monochromatic,
Yes.
beautiful as well.
Oh my.
Put some gold jewelry with that.
Tessa.
Bronzy gold.
Bronzy gold.
And then we also did it in this
stone
color, this oatmeal beige.
Let's look at the tone on tone.
Yeah.
See, I love
gorgeous.
That is so chic.
Stunning. We love to bring you these outfits, ladies. They're so beautiful.
I can't wait to style them up.
I know. Maybe you should take it on. The 3 pants with all the different tops. That'd be amazing.
Oh yeah. Sign me up.
All right.
Done.
She's got it. Done deal.
Done deal.
All right. One more piece, ladies. I always want to say last but never least.
Oh, look at this gorgeous beauty.
Gorgeous. Boxy sweater.
Love.
Nice light knit.
Put it on the...
Sorry. So it's got, what?
Look at this.
Cute, eh?
I love it. And then also...
With the black.
the black.
I know.
Oh my
Classic
God.
outfit.
Look at this.
With some red jewelry.
This is a very nice fabric.
It's beautiful.
Oh, it feels so soft.
This is their signature fabric.
Is it like a French terry a little bit, right?
No, it's cotton.
Oh,
40, oh my God. 48% cotton, 48% lycra, and 4% spandex. But it feels like $1 million.
Yeah.
It
Great
is very
style
high-end
too.
fabrics.
Yes.
I fell in love with this line.
Neckline, boat neck.
Boat neck, but yeah, beautiful.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
So,
you're on.
okay.
Lousje's on tomorrow, ladies.
It's you and I.
It's you and I.
You and I looking at these gorgeous and
Pieces.
see it on a body, which is always important, right? Than
Yeah.
just seeing it like this.
Yes.
Yeah.
So the sweater, this one comes in 3 sizes, I believe. So all the size charts are online, and we've equivalated the sizes from what we feel they are. The pants are extra small to double X. Lousje would be in the extra small for them, and I would be in the small, just so you know. Yeah, so if you have any questions, ladies, please let us know. Please hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. It always helps us reach our content to more beautiful women like you. Watch out tomorrow for Lousje. She'll be here. She's on.
You and I.
She's on like Donkey Kong. I used to always play that game. Do you remember?
Yeah.
The Nintendo?
That sound, I can still hear it.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Well, I'm thinking of Super Mario Brothers.
And that's the one.
All right, ladies.
Okay, lovelies. Well, thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow, and keep on smiling.